Howdy, folks. Here we have a 1963 Hermes 3000. And I'm gonna sell it. Yay! This one's in pretty darn good shape. It needed some help when it came to me. And I got it working pretty darn good. It was missing the C key, but I've got a parts machine. So I was able to replace that. And it needed some help with the segment as well. It was kind of gummy. I got rid of most of the crap that was in there. And yeah, they're cleaned out pretty good. Got rid of the fuzzy funk stuff that grows on the paper rest on these. Also defunkified the basket shift rails. And relubed the pivot points on the basket shift. A lot of the time these will get really sticky where you gotta jam down on the key to get it to go. But this one's just smooth as butter. Altogether, I'm pretty darn pleased with how well this machine is cleaned up. It's pretty sweet in there. Types 10 characters to the inch. And despite being about a, I don't know, probably a 7.5 to maybe a 7, maybe an 8 cosmetically. Yeah, about a 7.5. I'd give it about a 9.5 mechanically. Platin's a little bit hard, but hey, it's a Hermes, go figure. But the feed rollers are in great shape. I got them cleaned up real well. And despite being hard, the platen grips quite well. I cleaned it up as well as possible as well. The ribbon inside the paper bale works just fine, which it was not working when I first got it. But luckily, I know how to work on those. And man, they're not easy to fix. They sure are fun to fix. I don't like it if it's easy. Missing one of the silver grommets right there. Got a little paint loss there, some paint loss here. Paint loss starting up there. Looks like there was a dent that got whacked into the ribbon cover there and started to peel. A little paint loss there. For the most part, she looks all right. This is certainly more of a doer than a looker. But even for a doer, she looks pretty good. Let's show how she does. Got a blue and green ribbon in there. 1963 Hermes 3000, serial number 3165374. And let's go on the blue setting here, which is truly a blue setting with that ribbon. And we'll go all the way on the hard for the touch control. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Nice and crisp, very clean, and very easy. We'll go to the halfway setting on both of these. A quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Half blue, half green, just like it's supposed to be. All the way to the bottom, and all the way to the bottom. A quick brown fox jumps over. Whoa, that was me. Oh, I forgot to do that. All right. A quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. There we go. Let's do a little alignment test, because, man, the alignment looks pretty good on this. Tabulator my way out to the middle. Lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, shifted, shift lock, and lowercase. Very well lined up. So, if you're looking for a Hermes to actually use, it's gonna be a good one for you. It's gonna be a good one for somebody, because I'm selling it. Yay! I'll put a link to the eBay auction in the description. I got it pretty cheap. I haven't had to do a whole lot to it. A little bit of cleaning, a little bit of tuning, a little bit of working, a little bit of parts replacing, but not too incredibly much. The case is second generation case. Works all right. The latch is kind of wonky. You gotta wiggle and jiggle the thing to get it to work right, but it works. It works. So there you go, folks. Happy bidding. She's gonna make somebody a darn fine typer.